তো নমস্কাৰ আপোনালোকক আকৌ স্বাগতম জনাইছো অন্য এটা ভিডিঅ'ৰ বাবে লাইটটো অন্ধাৰ হৈ গৈছে তো আজি আমাৰ মাজত আছে আৰু ফ্ৰম ইজৰাইল ওকে ইজৰাইলৰ পৰা অহা কেইজন পৰ্যটক আৰু তেওঁলোকে কাজিৰঙাত আহি মানে আমাৰ অৰ্কিড উদ্যানত আহি কেনেকুৱা এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চ পালে তেওঁলোকক লেটছ ষ্টাৰ্ট হিয়াৰ
We enjoyed very much. It's
Wow.
an amazing place, right?
Yeah.
Yes, and we have good guides.
and what are feelings in medicinal and bamboo
Everything is amazing and very interesting, and we learned a lot.
yeah
The variety is amazing here.
one question is the first time in Kaziranga second time or no
First time.
first time and you already completed jeep safari
Now we're going to the Jeep Safari to the Central Range.
okay tell me what's the experience is sour taste
This is the sourest thing ever.
ever huh? and this is what that one
This?
yeah it's also you can play football from this
I know. When it cracks, I can eat it.
okay
Thank you so much.
it's very sour yes
I think it's very healthy. You know what I would do with this?